Hello everyone, Justin here, and today we're going to take this knife that we drew previously using a Sharpie as well as some thin pens for the shadows, and we're going to shade it with a pencil. So we'll just do kind of a simple shading, and here I'm just using a regular number 2 pencil using light strokes, parallel lines, and what I'll be doing here is I'll be smoothing this over with my finger shortly. And don't worry about going over the edges. I'm going over the edges just because I'm going a little bit faster just to get this covered quickly. And I'll do the same on this side, maybe just a little bit lighter, and I'll avoid the top section. In fact, what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and draw parallel lines just to make it easier to cover it. And I'll do the same here. Now what I'll do here is I'll just curve it a little bit more, the top part, and I'll make it dark at the bottom simply by adding more pressure. Okay, and same here. I'll make the bottom part darker, and I'll shade these divots or hollows a little bit. Again, I'm making it darker on the left side and the upper part, and letting up on the pressure as I go to the bottom. The light's coming from above, and because these are hollows, there'll be a shadow just underneath right here. And the light, let's say the light's coming also from the upper left, so this section is casting a shadow on this hollow area. But the light's hitting this section, which is why I'm leaving it light. Now at the same time, this handle is curving away from us down at the bottom, so this bottom part would be a little bit darker as it goes towards the shadow section. So I'm just gonna darken that a little bit. Same with the handle here. So dark at the bottom and slowly getting lighter at the top. Same here. Dark and then lighter. Now the darkness of these shadows and shading would also depend, of course, on how dark the material is. So let's say this, for example, if this handle was black, I would of course just shade everything much darker. And here, let's just keep this somewhat lighter and just a very light amount of shading. So let's just pretend this is chrome or something like that. So again, we've got a hollow here, so I'm gonna make this upper part and left side darker. And actually what I'll do is I'll just make this whole thing kind of dark, but again there'll still be a bit of a gradient from dark here on the left to light on the right. I will also add a highlight here, just a light, just a curving line here, and maybe kind of like a horizon line. Make it a little bit darker here, and then again gradient going down. As I said, I'm gonna try to make this look somewhat chrome-like. So with chrome, remember the traditional way is that this upper part shows the blue sky, so it's light, and then it meets the horizon or the dirt, the ground, so this part down here would be dark. Okay, so next I'll just go ahead and smooth things out with my finger quickly. Same over here. And I'll simply take my eraser and smooth this part here. So we have a nice clean line, and that should pretty much do it. Just a quick shading of a black and white marker drawing. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.